Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own avatar on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp now lets you design your own personalized 3D avatar of yourself, which you can use as your profile picture or send it as a sticker. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open WhatsApp, then tap on the three dots and then tap on Settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find Avatar, tap on this, and now you want to go ahead and create your own avatar. So go ahead and read this, tap Get Started. Now you can go ahead and create an avatar from selfie, so I'll do that. So now this will basically create an avatar from my selfie, which I've done. Now here at the bottom, you can go ahead and choose all your body type, press Save and Continue. Now you can go ahead and customize the style, hair, makeup, face, body, choose what hair type, what clothes the person is wearing, shoes, and so on. And once you're happy, press Save at the top right. And now your avatar has been created on WhatsApp. So these are all the stickers which you can use. So it's a fun and expressive way to show off your personality and you create a unique presence in the chat. So there you go guys, that is how to create your own avatar on WhatsApp.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.